to open it.
Hi everybody, this is Elizabeth with Live Simple, Live Free. And I'm doing something a little bit different today. I've sometimes really enjoyed catching videos on YouTube of people unboxing something. I think it can really be fun. I've also been seeing a lot of different subscription services, and some of them looked pretty neat. I know a lot of times they support different craftspeople in different parts of the world, and they're usually things that are very healthy and very organic and all that. So I ran across a subscription service that really kind of tugged at my heart and really caught my eye, and it's called Lev HaOlam, and I'll write that word down below here. Lev HaOlam. It's in Israel, and it means heart of the world. In the areas of Judea and Samaria, which are like the heartland of Israel, there are many businesses that are just family-run businesses that they're trying to just bring a lot of life back to Israel and make things prosper. And I don't totally understand that, but there's something called BDS, Boycott, Divestment, and Sanctions, which have been come against a lot of these businesses. And these are people just having hives where they sell honey, people that are taking natural stuff and making cosmetics out of it, different kinds of food, olive groves, things like that, individual artisans. And so this, a person, his name is Nati Ram. Anyway, he founded Lev HaOlam. And what it is a subscription service. And they just have things that come from these different artisans and farmers and stuff like that. And they put a surprise box together every month. And you never know what's going to be in it. Well, I just got my third one. I didn't want to say anything about it till I really looked and saw what I thought of everything. And they seem to be very solid, very consistent. I've really loved what I've been able to have come from them. And so, anyway, I just wanted to share this unboxing with you because this is the first time I've done kind of a subscription service. And let's just see what came in this box. Well, the box just arrived. I'm very excited. I was a little concerned because with all the stuff going on with the COVID-19, I was hoping there weren't going to be, running into some problems. But I'm not opening it all until I can share it with you guys. So here we go. I love that Lev HaOlam means heart of the world. I think that's really beautiful. Okay, here we go. First thing in here, let me see what this is. Oh wow. Here is, looks like original art. I'm sure I'll be hearing about who the artist is. But it is the story of Ruth, the book of Ruth. That is so cool. On one side is English, on the other is Hebrew. And of course they read it left to right. Right. We read left to right and they read right to left. That is pretty neat. And it's all been like illustrated. So I'm sure I'll be hearing about the artist, but that's really beautiful. All right. Deglet Noir dates. Oh wow, these are like really, really nice, real dates that were grown there. Oh, cool. I'll open those in just a minute. So we have some dates. Oh, honey. Coffee. It's our beans ground for black coffee, roasted in Israel with love. Oh, I can smell how wonderful that smells. That is awesome. And I occasionally, yeah, he loves his coffee. I occasionally have some coffee, so I will try a little bit of that. Oh, beautiful. Israeli, like these are shiitake, dried shiitake mushrooms. And everything's in Hebrew on the back. Wow, nice mushrooms. Oh, wonderful. Salty caramel cream. It's kosher? Wow. The address is from Jerusalem. Neat. Caramel. Oh my goodness. Ooh. By Jean Pierwell is a 3D painting on glass. Oh my goodness. Every one of these is different. This is so interesting. And the little card from him. Oh, wow, this is cool. It's all about Ruth. That seems to be the theme this time, is about Ruth. Oh, that's just beautiful. Look at this, hon. Can't see.
Can't see. We'll take a picture and put it on top.
Yeah. It's layers of glass with a painting on it about Ruth. Oh, that's definitely going up. Oh, how beautiful. I'm going to put it right here really carefully. Oh, there's a lot in here. Oh, some natural soap. They always have this wonderful, like, real natural stuff. I'll open this. Oh, I got scissors right here. My friend Lynn also gets these boxes. She started even before I did, so it's really been fun. Even though we live kind of far apart, we can still FaceTime and we get to talk about them, and she's been really enjoying it also. Okay. Oh wow, shea avocado and jojoba, rich natural body cream. It's got to get the pump's got to get started here. There we go. I just had to get the pump started. Oh, I love the creams. Oh, that smells wonderful. Very, very soothing on my skin, and my skin is fragile. Oh, goodness, it's got to be lavender. It was born out of a small home kitchen of Michal and Noam Levy. Michal, I wish I was pronouncing it better, is an agronomist by training, and Noam, a gourmet chef returning from New York, started crafting soaps for their friends and neighbors. They're so good the word spread about their unique recipes. They started a small business 12 years later. It's one of the leading natural and ecological cosmetic makers in Israel, and is situated in northern Galilee, a few kilometers from the Lebanese border. Wow. It smells heavenly. Cool. And there's something else here. It's got pomegranate on it. Ooh, organic pomegranate seed oil. Oh, wow. Pomegranate seed oil. It looks like you eat it. I don't know, but that's wonderful. Yeah, it's got like the nutrition in it. It's very nutritious. I guess just you just have a few drops. It's like an essential oil, but it's pomegranate. Oh, I don't want to put it somewhere that I've already got lotion. Well, that's interesting. I'll find out more about that. And then, as usual, it looks like they have information about the various businesses here, and things that are going on, how things are, what's happening over there. Here's the artist. Oh wow. And then the people behind the products. Just tells you also, and they always have recipes, which is really cool. Wow. This pomegranate seed oil can be rubbed on the skin or put as drops on the tongue and has many positive effects such as reinvigorating the skin and anti-aging. You can apply it to your scalp and hair for rejuvenating your hair and clearing scalp debris. And it uses a lot of raw pomegranates. This is so cool. Oh my goodness, that lotion just smells wonderful. That's got to be like a lavender. Oh, wonderful. Well, neat. Some yummy stuff to eat and some nice lotions and the pomegranate oil and a beautiful piece of art here and coffee. So I have found that these boxes are they're neat. I really like them. I'll get a picture of this one. All right. Well, thanks for joining me while I opened all this. It's been fun seeing what's come in the boxes. All the food has been very good. I love the lotions and the cosmetic products and how natural everything is, and they've been very, very nice to use. And I've got very fragile skin, so it's pretty cool. So it's felt good just supporting these young businesses that are really trying to make a go of it. And I have a real love for Israel, and I know that the Lord has a real love for Israel. So I'm going to put if you're interested in just looking at the website, I'm going to put a link in the description below if you want to look at any information about it. But the stuff I've gotten from there has been neat, and it's made me feel really good to feel like that I can have a part in supporting these families that are just trying to create businesses and make a life for themselves and their kids. Now, this is not any affiliate thing. There's no, I'm just one of their people that just does the subscription. There's no connection with us or no affiliate. We don't earn anything from this. No. I just enjoy getting to share things that we're trying and doing. There's just different things that I feel like I'm happy to support, and I wanted to share about them. Besides, it's always fun getting a surprise every month. So, anyway, it was kind of neat to get share an unboxing with you. I love you guys, and be blessed, and we will see you later. Live simple, live free. Bye-bye.